how to solve k power k is equal to 7 power of k plus 49. Find the value of k. So we have k power k is equal to 7 power of k plus 49 is same as 7 power k times 7 power of 49. According to this exponential rule that a power of m plus n is equal to a power m times a power n. In the next step, we divided by 7 power k in both sides. So divided by 7 power k divided by 7 power k. So this 7 power k, this 7 power k will be cancelled. So this 7 power k, this 7 power k will be cancelled. Now from here we apply this exponential rule that a power n of b power n is equal to a by b bracket common power is n. So according to this formula, it will be k of 7, then bracket common power is k, then is equal to 7 power of 49. In the next step, we divided by power of 7 in both sides. Divided by power of 7, divided by power of 7. Now we can write here k of 7 bracket power of k by 7 is equal to 7 power of 49 divided by 7, that means it will be 7. In the next step, here we apply rule that a power a is equal to n power n. So a will be equal to n. The condition is n is greater than or equal to 1. So here let k of 7 is substituted by y. So it will be y power y is equal to 7 power 7. Now here we apply this rule, a power a is equal to n power n, so a will be equal to n. So here y will be equal to 7. Now remember that y, that means k by 7. So y, that means it will be k by 7 is equal to 7. Now we need the value of k, so we multiply by 7 in both sides. So this 7 will be cancelled. So we have k is equal to 7 multiplied by 7, that means it will be 49. So 49, this is the value of k. So this is our final answer.